Viking Pump has been the leader and expert in pump industry since we developed the first internal gear pump over 100 years ago. A global presence, Viking pumps are in operation in all 7 continents, offering one of the broadest selections of pumping principles, designs, materials, and options available. Our worldwide network of factory-trained distributors understand your applications and service needs.
We have various field offices from China to Brazil to the Middle East to India. Those offices are going to provide local support, and then they're backed up by our application engineers here in Cedar Falls to be able to assist where needed.
Our model really looks at having distributors in a local area with local inventory, local trained support, and people who really know our product line.
Viking Pump is uniquely qualified to provide solutions for nearly every pumping situation.
The Viking Pump Company started as a water pump, moved into petroleum, moved into chemical, and other applications from there.
It really isn't that we've been in business for 100 years, it's that we've earned the right to be a solution provider.
Viking offers many different pump sizes and various materials for each of those pump sizes, and that's going to allow us to fit pumps to custom solutions.
Viking pumps are used in virtually every industry today, from chemicals, fuels, and asphalt, to plastics, paper, and food. Moving the materials that transform our world from thin to thick, hot to cold, liquid to solid, and much more. With our world headquarters in Cedar Falls, Iowa, Viking is vertically integrated and able to create from concept to final product. This equates to increased customer satisfaction with a higher level of product quality.
Another aspect that really sets us apart is our manufacturing agility. We are one of the very few companies that has a captive foundry, and we have 2 captive foundries. So we have an alloys and a gray iron foundry, as well as a very extensive machining capabilities here in Cedar Falls. It allows us to pour exotic metals, helps us to try different things in our lab downstairs, and really gives us the expertise to accept tough applications, even on a customer onesie-twosie type basis, and really be a problem solver.
As a unit of IDEX, we share the core values of always putting the customer first, continuous growth, integrity, excellence, and success.
We constantly get positive feedback about how accessible it is to get not just local support, but also be able to pick up the phone and talk to somebody at the home office.
We're there in the marketplace, available in front of those customers, because when pumps get applied, whether it's ours or a competitor, it all comes down to reliability.
Viking offers a broad line of products in 4 key technologies: internal gear, external gear, lobe, and vane. Each pump is uniquely designed for the task at hand, from simple solutions to the most advanced and demanding needs.
Today, water is actually a very small part of our total market. I'd say less than 1% of what we do is water pumps.
If you open up your medicine cabinet at home, just about every liquid that you can look at in there probably went through a Viking pump at some point.
For Viking to build the company in the future, it's going to require continuing to evolve into even more applications, even more solutions for the customer in the future.
Viking Pump is your one source for pumps, accessories, parts, and service, including strainers, reducers, units, maintenance kits, and online tools.
When you go out into the manufacturing plant, you go down in the lab, into engineering, into marketing, anywhere you go in the company, there was always this vibe about Viking and this pride in working here, pride in the quality.
We definitely don't take for granted that we're a 100-year-old company. It's a long time to be 100 years old, and you have to be doing a lot of the right things for a very long time to keep the company going that long.
The thing about Viking that I hope never changes, and I don't think it ever will, is just that enthusiasm and commitment just to quality and being a leader.
Viking continues to build on the legacy its founders began over 100 years ago by providing customers a reliable pumping solution.